walked through the jungle, barefoot and brave, carried the silence of brothers he couldn't save. Smoke in the sky, bullets in the breeze. He whispered our names like a prayer through the tree.
He left behind rivers, the mountains, the song, a land where his heart will always belong. But war tore the roots from under his feet, and freedom was hiding across the sea. Through the fire, through the rain, he ran with nothing but hope and pain. For the ones he loved, he gave it all. Never looked back even when he'd fall. Now I stand in this promised land with his one heart in my hands. He gave his life so I could dream through the fire, through the rain. His hands were warm, his eyes knew fear, but still he smiled to keep us near. A refugee, a warrior, a quiet king. He built our world from suffering. He taught me to speak, but never forget the language of lies, the sound of regret.
Still hears the drums of the Central Hills, still feels the ghost that time can't kill. Through the fire, through the rain, he ran with nothing but hope and pain. For the ones he loved, he gave it all. Never looked back even when he'd fall. Now I stand in this promised land with his one heart in my hands. He gave his life so I could dream through the fire, through the rain.
I wear his story like a scar, a silent anthem of who we are. Every breath I take is his reward, every freedom, every open door. Through the fire, through the rain, he ran with love stronger than pain. He lost his world but gave me mine, crossed that border line by line. Now I speak for all he lost. Count the cost, count the cost. He gave his life so I could be a child of war who now walks free. Through the fire,
through the rain,
Father, your love still speaks my name. Through the fire, through the rain, he ran with nothing but hope and pain. For the ones he loved, he gave it all. Never looked back even when he'd fall. Now I